H2KInfosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing, and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2KInfosys supports 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus. One-time pay, lifetime access to live classes and videos. H2KInfosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For free demo class, visit h2kinfosys.com.
And another thing is called length. So length is, I'm saying 30. How many characters you can use in this text field, in this field? I said 30 means I can write till 30 characters. So something A to Z, something 26 alphabets, right? Similarly, I can write 30 characters there. Length of the text field, 30. And now here, same thing, description. What is the purpose of this? We can say what is the purpose of this text field. We have to write the description why we are creating this field and whatever description we are need. So sometimes how it will be a description, they may expect a ticket number. So we will be having a ticket number to create this change. So the ticket number and the purpose why we have created this change, something like that. In real time it could be like that. Is there any help text for this? Help text means if I hover at this field like this, you are seeing something, right? Enter able to be used. It's called help text. So for this text field also, if you want to see help text, we can show whatever information I have written here. That one will be displayed on once we hover. So I'm saying demo help text. And here required. So what does this mean? If I say this hello checkbox is checked, then it says what does it mean? Always require a value in this field in order to save a record. Okay, so this is a field. In this field, we need to provide a value in order to save a record. Unique. So that means if we do not provide value for this field, the record is not going to save. Now, what is unique? Unique means it is saying do not allow duplicate values. It won't allow a duplicate value. For example, for this one, for demo, if I used value as demo one, some value, that value I can't use again in another record. In same object, I can't use in another record. It says it's a unique, you can't use it. I'm not selecting it. External ID. So I will explain this later. And even this one I will explain later. Now I just created a simple text field. Click on next. Now, okay, you have created a text field. So what access you want to provide on these permission sets on this field? So read access, edit access, both read and edit by default. Permission sets with object permissions, object level permissions, it's having all this. So for them I have given access, read and edit access. Click on next. Adding it to the page layout. Once we create an object, by default a page layout will be created with the name like people layout. It's a object name people layout. So we are adding this to this layout. By default, it's only one page layout, right? It will be taken by default. Save the text. Let's see whether we got it or not. No, it's taking some time. So, okay, now I have a doubt whether this is available or not. Edit object. Go to that object, fields and relationship. Text, right? So I'll open it. View field accessibility. Okay, it's always required. It's available. It's required for every profile, so it should be there. Back to object, text, another option. You are saying set field level security. These are required. Okay. Just taking some time. It happens in demo. Recently it's happening in demo. It's taking time to display the changes. Show the changes. Let me log out and log in. Text, it's there. So here if you see demo help text, whatever we have written in the help text, that is going to display here. The text one I can provide value like this on an existing record. Cancel. Go here, click on new. I have text here. I'm giving some name like this. Text, whatever. What is the text value we want to provide here? Okay, some value. It's a demo text, something like this. Okay, if I click save, record is going to save. So it's there. Now we'll go to existing records. Existing is this one. So I clicked edit. Now if I want to save, it's going to throw error because the text, whatever field we have created, is mandatory, right? So for existing records, there is no data. Field is there, but data is not there. So it's going to throw error. Now we'll provide some value and click on save. The record will get saved like this. Okay. So this is how we create a field and will be available on layout, provide data and save the record. Okay. So like this, the task for you is,
excuse me, the error that it throws, was it because of the app text that you clicked? That was the reason for the error?
Okay, I'll show it again. Now, Arun, I clicked. This record, Arun, is already created before creating this field, correct? So I'm able to open this one.
Yeah.
Now
did you make the test? What I'm trying to understand, did you make the test mandatory?
Correct. Yes, I made the text mandatory while creating the field itself.
Okay.
So for the existing records, the text value is not there at all. So if I open that existing record, I click, I just open, it's nothing. It's not going to happen anything. It will be there. If I click edit, and if I click just save, it's going to throw error because it's mandatory.
Okay.
That's it. Okay. Okay. Task for you here is create another fields. Go to the object. Create another data type. Whatever you are understanding, just the process is same. You will to be simple, just create text only like that. Text, we have text area, right? If I click edit object, go to fields and relationship, click on new data type. Data types here. So you can select the whatever data type you want, text area like this, and create the field. Okay, text, you can take text area or text area long. Just see the difference. You're seeing the differences here, right? Just create this text area long, text area rich till here. You just observe the difference. You can provide the same name, text area, field name can be provided the same, so that while after creation, if you see the fields, you can understand the difference. Just try to create these 4. You'll see the difference. You can understand the process also how to create. This is the task. Any questions in creation of object or creation of field?
When I'm trying to do it, give me an error.
You're getting error.
Yes.
What is the error?
On the last where it says default value, it says field text may not be used in this type of formula.
Yeah, there could be something. Okay. Could you please share your screen? Renuka, I made you as a presenter. Could you please share your screen?
Trying to figure out how to do it. Oh, wait. Does it work?
You can see something. Share screen. If you click on it, you can share your screen.
I'm trying it, but it's not working.
Okay.
I'm logged in from 2 devices, so can you try the one that's green now?
Yeah, see. So showing web, right? Okay, let me take another as a presenter. Okay, now you are presenter in your desktop or laptop. Try from there. Yeah, I can see your screen. Just open Salesforce. You have to go to browser and log into Salesforce. Use login.salesforce.com.
I am logged in. See where my login went.
So just open browser first. Okay. Now there, use login.salesforce.com, the URL.
Do I have to do it again? Because I'm already logged in.
What happened?
I'm already logged in, so
Your voice is very low.
I should be already logged in.
Okay. First, you have to go to the where is the
Okay,
tabs?
just continue.
Okay. Okay. Just try from your end. If I see that error, I can you can give the error screenshot where you will give here. You can't. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Are able to log in? Okay. Yeah, do anyone have queries in this one? Creation of field. Okay. So today's task, as said, create a custom object and create text fields. Just see the difference between the different types of text fields, so that you can understand how to create an object, how to create a field, and the navigation moving from setup screen and the application screen. So use it in sales application. You can use it in all applications, but once you create object, try to create the field. Try to create the records from sales application, so that tomorrow you can show me clearly. You don't get confused there. Okay. So yeah, any queries, or shall we wind up for the day?
I think I'm good. Yep.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you.
Everything done, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Sai. Yep. Okay. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Again.